I need to ask you something. I had this internal source, the deepest self within me several times, even while jogging. And to the present day, I don't feel I can completely get back to this even during meditation. Why is it that I cannot succeed? By the way, I've been meditating every day for 4 years. I do mantra and bows. Every day, morning, 5 a.m. to 6 a.m.
Also, it sounds that you are already a wonderful Marines. What do you want to succeed?
Obviously, my purpose is to maintain clear mind continuously.
Okay, but we chant here twice a day the Heart Sutra in Hungarian. And the Heart Sutra says there is nothing to attain with no attainment. So what do you want to maintain?
I'm digesting, he says.
Wonderful!
No,
keep digesting.
Thank you.
Look, the moment you want something, you separate yourself already from the thing. Already you make I and the thing that you want. The moment you divide yourself and you make two, some opposites will appear. Good, bad, I, you, I, the world, everything becomes separate. Then we think we need more effort to do it. And we put more effort. And then it hits us even stronger. Then finally you're exhausted. Then you just relax. Then you see the floor is brown. Beautiful. Already complete. So don't exhaust yourself. Actually use the energy after you finish the meditation, the sitting, and help your family, your friends, your colleague, or everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you for the opportunity to ask.